We never talked about this. I wish I knew what he wanted.
A wise person once said, "There is life and there is death." We don't know what's going to happen today or tomorrow, so we have to be prepared. The truth is, we make decisions throughout our entire lives. This is an important choice because we want to be prepared to make our own decisions ahead of time. It is important to think about what you want to happen if you become very sick or cannot speak for yourself. One of the ways to do this is to choose a trusted family member or friend to make your wishes known. Talk with them and make sure that they know what your wishes are. Thinking about what you want and taking steps to make your decisions known helps make sure that you are in control of your life, now and in the event that you cannot speak for yourself. Making important decisions means taking time to think carefully, deciding on your choices, and then talking it over with the ones you love and taking action. So think, what is important to you? Plan, what do you want? And then do. Complete the forms and have conversations about your wishes and values with the people you love. You have the right to make decisions about your health care during your life. There are also medical treatment choices to make if you're very sick and cannot speak for yourself. During these times, you need help to make sure that your doctors know what you want. One of the questions often asked has to do with life-sustaining treatment. Life-sustaining treatment is used to help keep people alive when they're very sick and perhaps even close to death. Treatments can be medicines, breathing machines, tube feeding, hydration, CPR, and even surgery. No matter what end-of-life treatment a person wants or doesn't want, doctors are committed to making everyone as comfortable as possible, even if the goals of care have changed and a physical cure is no longer possible. Advanced care planning includes thoughts about what quality of life means for you, your spiritual beliefs, and the things that you value in life. To help you with advanced care planning, the Texas legislature has passed the Texas Advance Directive Act. Texas law makes provision for 3 types of advance directives: the directive to physicians, otherwise known as a living will, the medical power of attorney, and the out-of-hospital DNR, or do not resuscitate order. The directive to physicians is a form that allows you to specify the life-sustaining treatment that you want or do not want in the event that you cannot speak for yourself. This makes it possible for your doctor to know your wishes. The medical power of attorney is a form that allows you to designate someone to speak on your behalf in the event that you cannot speak for yourself. A conversation with the person you designate is necessary so that they understand what your wishes would be. The out-of-hospital DNR is a form that instructs medical personnel to not attempt resuscitation if your heart stops beating and you are not in a hospital setting. So what steps should you take next? Think through what your medical choices would be if you could not speak for yourself, and put your choices on the advance directive form that you have chosen. You must sign the form in front of 2 witnesses, people who are not a part of your family or related to your care or your estate in any way. When this process is completed, make copies for your doctor and other important people in your life. Your nurse will place a copy on your chart or your medical record. Save the original form and keep it in a safe place. And it's always a good idea to keep a copy in the glove box of your car so that it can be accessed quickly if needed. If you decide to complete a medical power of attorney form, it is important to choose a person as your surrogate or healthcare agent who can act as your medical power of attorney in the event that you cannot speak for yourself. Decisions that you've discussed with your surrogate will be communicated to the physician providing your care. Think, who will speak for me? My surrogate or healthcare agent is nearby to help me when I need him or her. will speak to doctors, nurses, and social workers for me, will follow my wishes, is my legal spokesperson. My surrogate or healthcare agent cannot be my doctor, the staff of a clinic or hospital where I receive health care, my group home or nursing home administrator, staff of a group home or nursing home where I live, any paid staff when I cannot speak for myself. Remember, there are 3 Advance Directive forms in the state of Texas. The 2 we use in the hospital are the Directive to Physicians and the Medical Power of Attorney. The Directive to Physicians states your choices about life-sustaining treatment. The Medical Power of Attorney says who will speak with your doctor when you cannot. Both of these options make it possible for your doctor to receive guidance about what you want in the event you cannot speak for yourself. When you think ahead and complete the forms, you have exercised your right to live your life your way. You will be prepared. You will have a plan to share with your loved ones, your family, your doctor, and other important people in your life. Ask questions and insist on receiving information in ways you can understand. Make changes to your plan if you need to. And most important, make your own decisions. If you would like a copy of either the Directive to Physicians, the Medical Power of Attorney, or both, tell your nurse or call the Spiritual Care Department at 281-274-7164. If you would like to visit with someone about Advance Directives, or if you would like assistance in filling one out, ask your nurse or call the Spiritual Care Department at 281-274-7164. A wise person once said, "Always hope for the best, and while you're hoping, go ahead and make plans for the unexpected. You will find that this frees you to live life fully with those that you love."
I'm so glad we talked about this. I know we did what he wanted.